In this video, I want to show you how to use multiple Java in your macOS. First of all, I will open my terminal and check my Java version. So my Java version is 17. Then to go download the Java, I want to go to download the Java, Zulu Java, and find the your version 11 and macOS, and also download only the zip file because we need to download only the zip file. Like press here, I already downloaded for my video, and this is my Java. Open it and also open, and there you have Java JDK. So open the terminal now, just paste the command, open your Java folder, and you have only one Java 17. Just take that folder and paste it, enter your password in here, enter it. You have two Java, but if you search it under this Java version, you will only see Java 17. So this is because we have in path, open the zshrc path, because we have already declared the 17 version. So just change it to the 11 version and save it, and then close it and close also. Again open the terminal and just search for the Java version. So you can see we have Java 11 in our system. You can also change it to Java 17. Just simply just go to the you open your zsh file and just change your version name. That's it.